So I'm going for a little hike today because I need to release some energy. For the past couple of months I've been having difficulty sleeping, so I know I need to get some more activity, and I think this is a good opportunity to actually take up hiking for a little bit. Plus I need to work out if this pack is gonna sustain me. There's only about a day's worth of stuff in here. It's not made for camping as well, but I want to see how it goes. I'll do a quick run through of what I've got in here. So first off, I will go with exteriors on here. Let me zoom in a little bit better. So I've got some chaps. They're my riding chaps. I actually found they fit my hiking boots really well. Really funny. So if I'm going through some terrain, because it's going to be like 34 degrees today, I don't want to be wearing these, but in the event that I have to, I might give them a go. I'm not sure. If not, it's added weight, which is nice. I've got a 2-litre bottle in here. So the original idea of this was I was going to add the 2 litres on top. I wasn't going to obviously drink it because I've already got 3 bottles in my bag, but it was just to add the weight. Bandana, I'll take that for later. Now, if I take over the chaps, yep, so some sleeves, I'm probably going to be using those. And here I've got a little bit of food. I've got my bottle here, that's almost a litre I think. Sunblock, gotta use that. Old map from last milsim. Got my charger, I should probably take a cable for that. Got my safety whistle, I also got another one on my chain as well. Now, not going to be using this, but you know, just look, it's just in case, plus I want to add a little bit of extra weight. Got my compass, I haven't set this to any map, and I know it's an engineering compass, but I like the portability of this a little bit better. I can't imagine myself using this either, although I probably should. I might be able to set the direction off of my phone, but either way I won't have a map to go off of, so it's probably going to be pointless. Another bandana, I could probably use that for something else. Now, as I go through this, I should probably rearrange it anyway. So I've got 3 bars. Now, the idea for the water and the food, and then also some nuts here as well. It's basically a trail mix. There's a lot of macadamias in here because yesterday I brought macadamia nuts and they didn't fit in the storage container. So more macadamias for me, I guess. And lastly, in this pouch, I've got a very old safety kit from an old workplace. So I know this is out of date, but you know, it's better than nothing. And when I go on to the next part, you'll see why I'm actually a little bit more prepared than that. But like I was going on beforehand, so the idea with the food is, so going off my old hiking setup, I used to do every 15 minutes water and every 30 minutes food. Now that's just like basically a bite. So I'm fine with that, but that keeps me going at the same level while hiking, so no stopping basically. Now I don't know if my willpower is the same, but you know, sometimes stuff gets better with age. I don't know if this counts as one of those things. Kind of hoping, but I shouldn't get optimistic at all whatsoever. Now with the water in here, so this is backup bottle number 1. So I'll probably transfer that over. It's just literally tap water, that one is. The other one's purified. And then I got what is this, Gatorade. So just electrolyte bottle. Just if I need it. I'll try not to drink this, maybe save it for another time. I want to keep this low cost kind of dealio. Oh, and so this was part of my long-term idea. I got some rope in here. because I want to eventually be able to take everything I want on a regular hike. Now, ideally, I would want a bigger bag as well. But like I said, I just want to see what I can get out of this setup as I go. Now, here is my first aid kit. So if you thought, Aaron, you know, goddamn die on the trails, I'm still gonna die. Because what happens if I like break both my arms and can't even do the medical kit? No one's coming for me then, eh? But at least I got a chance with some of the stuff in there. It's a little bit better than that small kit. So I'm already quite hungry. I've got a banana in my other backpack. Yeah, that's everything. I'll quickly eat this banana before I go. Oh, this is really bad, I got no sense of direction. I'm sure I'll find my way. Oh. Alright, I'll go that way. That way. This is pretty corner trail, Hogan's Hill. Well, I like Hogan's Heroes. God, I don't think I'm ready for how steep this is. It's only been like 20 steps. Not that I'm puffed out, but whew, a bit full on. Right. I want to throw this banana somewhere, but I almost don't want it to be too visible. God, where's this go? Is this it? Oh no, it goes up there. Okay, I'm gonna hide this banana. I mean, it'll decompose, but still. There we go. Yeah, not too visible. Whew. Maybe I should take some slower steps. Yeah, these boots really do help. They're so light. Like every step, it's like I'm not even wearing anything. Oh, the laces. Okay, the guy at the store told me that apparently the military tucked them in. I feel like there's a better way of tucking them in. Maybe through the sides. Yeah, because that looks a little dodge. Ain't no military. Yeah. There we go. I'm not hallucinating yet, promise. Now, gee, I wonder if I have reception up here, because I used to listen to offline music. Yeah, liked playlist, I guess. Yeah, I don't think it's loading. Give it a bit. Oh yeah, no, it did load. Let me go up there. Wow. I think this all used to be swamp down there. Wow, what a view. Oh, this is steep. Actually, I have to watch my footing. I'll do dance moves, sidestepping down this. Oh. Oh, there's a house. I don't want to go back to urban. I think I might head back. Oh! Oh! That's what I think about that. I have a feeling that's not a trail, but fuck it. God, at least I'm not riding a horse up here. Done that before. Yeah. I tell you, this is a lot better than that other bar I had. What was this? Dark chocolate and cranberry. That's probably why. The other one I had was cookies and cream. You know, I love cookies and cream. But that bar, honestly, was the most disappointing thing ever. Like, it didn't even taste like cookies and cream. It's the same brand. Maybe they just can't make their stuff too sweet. I don't know. But I already love dark chocolate, so maybe I could just be biased. Alright, I love it how I said I wasn't going to finish these. And I basically almost finished it anyway. Anyway, might as well go the whole hog, right? Oh, the road's up here. Sucky. Can't escape capitalism and infrastructure. Though I think this is a path down here. Fuck, if I fell down there right now, fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh, I can see another trail on the other side too. Oh, I love the haze. Okay, wow. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna pick this up later.
It's
Oh wow! Are you serious?
And then I also pour bubble, I pour champagne, I pour everything.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Car park and then...
Kookaburra Lookout. It's a little lookout.
I think I remember this one when I was a kid.
And then, if you're really interested in still walking quite a long ways,
yeah.
then when you get to the Kookaburra Lookout, go to your right, and it'll take you way in again to lookouts for the first falls and all that. And then you have to
I've been there too.
use your sense of direction,
Yeah.
and you want to end up coming back down to the car park. Just
Yep.
watch the signs for it or something.
Yeah.
So I did that the other day.
I remember that trail,
Yeah.
definitely down back to the car park when I was a kid.
This takes me directly down to the end of the car park, which is where I have to go to get back down to her house. So if you're looking, are you looking for more of a hike?
Yeah, I'm probably going to go down that way.
So when you get to the big lookout, it's not that far from here actually.
Yeah, I don't think
it's
it
right
is.
over there. And then stay to the right and go all the way down.
Yeah.
It's a nice hike.
Thanks for that. Appreciate it,
My
Anne.
pleasure.
It's
Aaron,
good to meet you as
well.
well.
So the thing I want to tell you is, and the reason it's the middle of April.
Okay, cool.
So it'd be great to see you maybe around.
Yeah, I might see you there or I might see you back down here.
Yeah, it'd be super. All right.
All right, have a good day.
Take care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was cool. I love it how I was just talking about my job. That woman was basically from the same brand of hotel I'm on. What a nice woman, Anne. Okay, left Yeah, only way. She told me to go right, but I would check if it's the lookout. Oh wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. These macadamias with Boston though. Oh, it's cool around here. It's nice. I wonder what the temperature actually is anyway. It's definitely not 30, I'll tell you that. It still says I'm in Goodwood. Alright. No service. Ooh. Okay, I'll just head back down the way I came. And then follow that path she said. The one that obviously says car park. Gotta tell you, going downhill is just as dangerous. If not more dangerous, you get so ballsy. Big balls. Alright, fuck it. Nah. Not those big balls. Not yet. Oh.